Hey friends, Fariba here from WatchKnitting. I have got a super cool arch textured pattern to share with you today. It's worked over a multiple of 6 stitches plus 3 with a 16 row repeat, but it really comes down to just two main pattern rows. There is this simple ribbing. What you're seeing here is one full repeat of the design. 8 rows of the first section followed by the offset half. As you can see, each section includes 4 rows of rib stitch. In just a moment, I will show you how to do the left leaning and central decreases. The right leaning decrease is the standard one we often use, so that part should feel familiar. This is the back view of the pattern. It's all made with basic purl and knit stitches. For this demo, I have cast on 21 stitches using a denser fine yarn. It's number 3 and 2.5 millimeter needles. That gives us 3 full repeats of the pattern. We are beginning with row 1, which is worked on the wrong side. The repeat for this row is simple, just purl across. I knit my edge stitch. To make things easy to follow, I have included the edge stitches in the repeat. Moving forward, I will pick up the edge stitch at the beginning of each row and knit the last stitch, even on purl rows. End row with knit the edge stitch now. Row 2 to 5 is in a purl 3 knit 3 ribbing pattern. Row 2 starts with 3 purl stitches. As mentioned before, I pick up my edge stitch, then purl 2, then repeat knit 3, purl 3 till end of the row. I'm gonna fast forward here. And we finish the row with 2 purl and knitting the edge stitch. Row 3 continues the ribbing. The repeat here is knit 3, purl 3. I start by picking up the edge stitch, then knit 2 and continue to repeat purl 3, knit 3. If you prefer, you can skip ahead to minute 3:30 where the ribbing finishes. I end the row with 3 knit stitches. Row 4 is just like row 2. We continue with purl 3, knit 3 ribbing and end the row with 3 purl stitches. I knit the final stitch instead of purling to keep a tidy edge. Row 5 is the last row of rib pattern, repeating knit 3, purl 3. It's just like row 3. And we end the row with 3 knit stitches. At this point, we have completed 5 rows. The first row was a simple purl across followed by 4 rows of purl 3, knit 3 ribbing. Now we are at row 6. This is where the magic begins and the pattern starts to form. We will be working around each 3 knit stitches. The middle knit stitch stays right in the center and we are going to add a yarn over on both sides of it. To balance those increases, we will do 2 decreases, one right after the yarn over, which leans to the left, and one just before the first yarn over, which is the standard decrease that leans to the right. This purl stitch here acts as a divider between 2 repeats and will be purled. It's like this middle purl stitch here, So these 6 stitches after the edge stitch make my repeat. So let's start row 6. I pick up my edge stitch. The repeat starts here, purl 1, then knit 2 together to the right. This is the standard decrease that creates a right leaning decrease. Next, I have my center knit stitch, then yarn over, knit the center stitch, another yarn over, then knit 2 together to the left. For left leaning decrease, I slip both stitches knitwise one by one, kind of twisting both, then put them back on the left needle and then knit 2 together through the back loop. Be careful not to lose the yarn over while you are decreasing. If you do so, go back and fix it. Now repeat again for the next 6 stitches. Purl 1, knit 2 together. I have a center knit stitch, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over again, and decrease to the left. Again, my last repeat here, purl 1, knit 2 together to the right, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, knit 2 together to left. Last, I have an extra divider stitch which I purl and end the row by knitting the edge stitch. Now as you can see, the order is purl, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit, yarn over, and knit 2 together. Now for row 7, simply knit the knit stitches and purl the purl stitches, including the yarn over loops. That means the repeat for row 7 is pick up the edge stitch, then repeat knit 1, purl 5, then repeat again, knit 1, purl 5. Basically, the only knit stitch in this row is the divider stitch, which was purled in the previous row. The rest are purled, and the row with knit 1 followed by knitting the edge stitch. Row 8 is the last row of the first half, and starting from the next row, we will begin offsetting the pattern. In this row, we are going to work central decrease over 3 stitches with the divider stitch in the center. These 3 stitches right here. Then we will make yarn overs on both sides of the central decrease right here and knit all the remaining stitches. Start the row by picking up the edge stitch. At the beginning, we only have half the stitches needed for a central decrease. So we just do a regular decrease over 2 stitches. Then make a yarn over and knit 1. Now the repeat begins. Knit 2, you'll come to a group of 3 stitches, make a yarn over. Now do the central decrease, slip the next 2 stitches knitwise to the right needle, Insert the left needle from the back into the first slipped stitch and pull the right needle to drop the second stitch. Pick that dropped stitch with the right needle and hold it there. Now knit two together the other two stitches. Then pull the slipped stitch over the new stitch. If you lose your yarn over, just go back and pick it up. Make another yarn over, then knit one. Now repeat the same steps. Knit two, yarn over, central decrease, slip the next two stitches knitwise to the right needle, insert the left needle from back into the first slipped stitch and pull the right needle to drop the second stitch, pick it up, hold it there, knit those two together, then pull the slipped stitch over the new stitch. Yarn over and knit one. My final repeat is again half, then knit two, yarn over and then decrease to the left. Finish with the edge stitch. You can see the pattern is starting to merge now. The repeat was knit two, yarn over, central decrease, yarn over and knit one. Row 9 purl across like row 1. This is the first row of the offset section. Next we're gonna work another 4 rows of ribbing. Row 10 to 14 will be worked in a rib stitch, but this time the pattern is knit 3 purl 3. You don't need to memorize it, just look for the visual cues. The new knit columns, knit 3, will sit on top of the yarn overs from the previous row. These stitches right here. Start the row by picking up the edge stitch, then knit 2 and purl 3 and repeat knit 3 purl 3 till end of row. While working this row, make sure the knit stitches align with the yarn overs. If they don't, it's likely you missed the yarn over in the previous row. You can fix that here by simply adding it back in. Then finish the row with knit 3. I will fast forward through the next few rows. Row 11, purl 3, knit 3. Row 12, knit 3, purl 3. And row 13, purl 3, knit 3. Row 14, this row works similarly to row 6 with a few adjustments. We will be focusing on these 3 stitches. At the start of the row, you will notice that I only have half of the repeat. This is the center knit stitch. After this, we only do 1 yarn over after the knit stitch, followed by a decrease to the left. Let's start the row. Pick up the edge stitch, knit the center stitch, yarn over. Next, knit 2 together to the left. Now repeat begins here. Purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit the center stitch, yarn over, knit 2 together to the left. Repeat again. Purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, yarn over, and knit 2 together to the left. Again, here I have half of the repeat. Purl 1, knit 2 together, yarn over, knit 1, and my edge stitch. Row 15, pick up the edge stitch, purl 3, then repeat knit 1, purl 5, repeat again, knit 1, purl 5 till the end of the row. End the row with knit 1, purl 3, and finish with the edge stitch. Row 16 is the last row of the pattern. We will do a central decrease here with a yarn over before and after it, and everything else is knit. So pick up the edge stitch, start the row by repeating knit 2, then you will have the group of 3 stitches, then yarn over, then you do the central decrease, slip 2 stitches right needle, pick up the first slip stitch and drop the second stitch, pick up the dropped stitch again with right needle, knit those 2 together, then pull the slipped stitch over the new stitch, yarn over and knit 1. Repeat the pattern, knit 2, then perform the central decrease over 3 stitches, yarn over and knit 1. Last repeat, knit 2, yarn over, central decrease, yarn over, knit 1, and end the row with knit stitch and followed by the edge stitch. This pattern looks absolutely beautiful on socks, sweaters, and so much more. I truly hope you will give it a try and enjoy every stitch. Thank you so much for joining me today. Have a wonderful day.